Good afternoon, Laserheads. Recently had a question if you can do cylinder correction on a Glock, and I thought, well, I mean, you should be able to. So I'm actually doing it. The most important thing here is that, of course, you need to go ahead and enable cylinder correction, and this is a Glock 19 Gen 4, so 1.065 diameter on a 220 millimeter lens. The show valid boundary button does a great job of outlining, Control Z, of outlining where it's going to be, and it does actually kind of hit that line on the left and right side of that diameter. So looking pretty good so far. Now, because I'm going around the backstrap pins, I put these little cutouts in there. I will say it was a little tricky to I just used basically a rectangle to simply just subtract from my final triple outline with the pattern. However, I was finding that even though my frame with my rectangle was lining up where I wanted it to, after I punched it out and hit frame, it didn't quite line up. So I had to kind of play around with that one a little bit. So that was tricky, but now it is good to go. And then basically just to verify. In this particular case, you can see that I chopped off my my main outline there. So there is no single shape that I can frame with. When I go here and I hit bounds, bounds here. Let me click on my actual design. And I hit, there we go, contour, outside shapes only. It's only giving me that scrolling design. So what I had to do was I had to go to Tools, Arrange, create rubber band outline from Selection, and basically that just put a tool line exactly around my my outline here. Now the line did come straight down, of course, so I had to add a couple of nodes and basically kind of form fit it to make that contour, and that's how I was able to close that shape up. Get it, fitting nice and neat there. Don't worry about that little marking there. That's just a little accident. Happy little accident. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. All right. And if you check your preview, it should look somewhat curved. Now, obviously, with this pattern, it doesn't matter so much, but this could be pretty neat for other designs. All right, frame. On this one I'm doing 6 passes, so. Customer wanted that high up on the backstrap for sure. And it is going around just like it said it would. So I do want to stress that it is important, well, one, to put your exhaust on, but two, it's important to enable cylinder correction before you frame. That's the key. Hope you all have a great day. All right, all 6 passes have completed, so I went ahead and just wanted to point this out. Normally when we do this stuff, your border tends to stretch out just like it would on a normal cylinder, so I'm a fan. It was a little tricky getting that cut out there, but I see a lot of potential. So anyway, hope this helps, guys, and I hope you all have a great day.